Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so sorry about the black thing showing on the screen, but anyway, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve beautiful eyebrows, like this beautiful eyebrows right there. But before getting right into the video, do click the subscribe button. First, we're going to be combing our eyebrows, like using a spoolie brush. Comb, prep them for the pencils. Now I'm going to be using this pencil from David's. I can't remember the number because it is wiped off. I've been using the pencil for a while. They're my absolute favorite. And then you trace out the edge of trace out the shape of your brows, pardon me. Trace out the shape of your brows. Like so. Yeah, I know people who don't have brows, but like, what are we going to do? But yeah, don't worry, I'm coming to you guys. Video will coming for that. Now you begin to fill in your brows with light strokes. Don't press too hard, just with light hand. Draw upward strokes to fill in your brows. I don't really care how they feeling because I know my concealer is gonna clean them up and my foundation, but just make sure you draw upward strokes to fill in your brows. I usually go back in with the spoolie brush to see if there's any spot I've missed. So it's always good to go back with the spoolie brush and brush to see if there's any space or strokes that I'm missing. Then fill them up. When drawing your eyebrows, for you to be able to trace out the brows properly, your pinky finger has to be placed on your face underneath your eye. Like you can see at the video that it's pressing my face. So it gives me direction and I'm able to trace the eyebrows. Now it's time to conceal underneath my brows. And we're using Ellen Gel Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And we'll be using this angled brush from Naked Brush to conceal underneath the brow. I don't know the number, I just know it's a concealer brush. It didn't come with the number. I didn't come with the number. Just a concealer brush. I'm going to be using the foundation for the top part of my brows. I prefer using foundation because it makes the brows look more natural. Like it just blends smoothly with my forehead or whatever work that goes on my forehead. I don't want any harsh lines at the top part of my brows. When concealing your brows, take your time because your brows are one of the most important part of your makeup. Like how your brows turns out, it's how beautiful people would see your makeup or you would look. So take your time on your brows. I'm not saying take forever, but pay attention to those brows. You can either use a beauty blender to blend in the excess foundation and concealer, or a flat brush like I am right now. But it's always good to blend out the excess concealer or foundation remaining, so you have very beautiful eye look. So next, go back here with the spoolie to make sure everything is in place, and we're using the best tools ever, our fingers. Like, yeah, the best tools for makeup, so I love to use them once in a while. And this is the finished look, guys. If you found this video helpful, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.